how do you normally want me to start with?
I mean,
Because I believe this screen would be your, you will use that first slide, you will be modifying it, or how it is, or I need to send it across
no.
to you?
Actually, the presentation would be with you. So what we'll do on 27th, we will introduce the session for a minute from our
Uh-huh.
side. So just
Uh-huh.
a short announcement for a minute, according to, along with your, the speaker's profile, etc. And
Mm-hmm.
then I will make you the presenter, just like I made it today.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can take all the controls with you. So you can start showing on the screen, explaining the slides, taking the questions, and answering them.
Okay.
If any problem comes in terms of audio quality or in terms of viewing your screen or slides, I would be intervening in between and would let you
Mm-hmm.
know.
Okay.
So
So,
we are not gonna give. I mean, we'll not be doing anything in your PPT. So you can take it. You can prepare it along with as per your convenience.
okay, okay, okay. So, okay, what I'll do is that I'll try to put in some, basically it is very blank, so I will just try to put some, make some cosmetic changes on that.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
If you can put up now, just a small suggestion, like you can put up some photographs or something, that would keep audience interested.
Okay. Can I put actually I have a video also, so can I run that video?
Unfortunately, video can't be run, and it would not be visible to anyone, because when you try to put
Uh-huh.
up or run a video, so the screen
Uh-huh.
looks like a blank one, and nothing would be
Uh-huh.
visible to
Uh-huh.
anyone. So
Okay,
video
then I
and
just wanted to
video
change
is
it.
not supported by GoToMeeting, unfortunately.
Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. So what I'll do is that, see, I'll just run you through the slides,
Okay.
and I'll try to speak about the first starting two slides.
Sure, sure.
Okay, and then you record that and let me know, and then we will proceed with the. Means I'll just speak about the first two slides only.
Sure, sure.
That should be fine, right?
That would be fine.
Okay. Can we start now?
Yeah, please.
There is some background noise happening. Is that?
Is it coming even now? Because my
Hello,
audio,
friends.
my mic is also is on, so that you may be listening to the some background noise.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Okay,
I'm
okay,
just
okay,
gonna
okay,
put
fine.
myself on mute mode.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Fine. Hello, friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ramesh Ralo. Today's topic would be about project risk management. We would be covering this entire presentation would be revolving around the agenda which is listed out here. Let's start the presentation. What is project risk? When we talk about risk, we always think, oh, it's a negative. So risk can also be positive that we need to take in account. Risk is not always negative. So what is risk? Risk is nothing but an uncertain event with a positive or a negative impact which could happen in your project. Okay. Let's assume that you are planning for an outdoor festival. Okay. There is a threat of rain. So rain is a risk factor out here, which would seriously affect attendance and your revenue, the show which you are going to generate. So this is a small example about risk. We will be talking about how to mitigate those risks, how and all that in our forthcoming slides. The main, before we, the risk part, there are causes of risk. The causes of risk are due to the various points which are highlighted out here. It could be due to variability associated with estimates, because you might risk arises because you might have estimated the project in a wrong way, not in the proper manner. So it could happen that the budget is allocated and now you have to deliver a lot with that same budget. So this is a risk for you. So the other factor would be uncertainty about the basis of estimate. This is again related to what are the basis you have used while estimating and what are the basis you are using now. So based on those things, the estimates vary now. So this is again a risk. In short, both these points related to the estimate part. Uncertainty about design and logistics. Before we start with any project, we design based on certain assumptions and certain logistics taken into mind. But these logistics, when you come into the real implementation of the projects, this needs to be validated, and now if they are not as per what you had assumed, so probably there are chances that you may encounter risk. Risk may also occur due to uncertainty about objective and priorities. What happens is that when you plan a project, when you start a project, the objectives and the priority at the start of the project or during the initiation phase may be set at some level. But as time progresses, because we are living in a very fast changing world, what happens is that the objective, the business objective and the business priorities change. So this also leads to risk. Uncertainty about, the other factor is uncertainty about fundamental relationship between project parties. Now let's assume a scenario. Okay, you have decided to implement a particular project, online trading system for a particular XYZ stock exchange. You have many partners in between, and one of the partner who was developing the core engine is no more in the no more in a part of the project. So that is itself a big risk for you. So these are all the causes of risk. The other part is about, now we are going to talk about what is the goal of risk management. Keshav, is this enough or you need to talk more?
I think this is enough. We are fine with this. I've also recorded this part, so I can share the video recording.
Yeah. Can you share it now or later?
No, it will take some time to upload on YouTube, and then I'll share the link. So I'll share the link in half an hour.
Okay, no issues. So then should I log out or should be there?
So there are a couple of more things, like I would like to show you how you would see the questions. The questions would come from the participants. All the participants will be on mute mode, so they cannot speak anything. They would type their questions in the chat pane, and those questions would come to us, that is the moderator, and we will share only the good and relevant questions with you to save your time, not the junk questions. So I'm sharing you a couple of dummy questions so that you can see. Can you see them in the questions pane in your control panel?
I just need to. It is good. Yeah. How is the risk calculated? How is the risk calculated?
And what is?
I can see only one.
Okay. So because the window is very small there, so you can expand it.
I'll just. Yeah. What is project risk management?
Yeah. So it would have come out in the center of your screen, and you can make it larger by going to the bottom right corner and drag it out. Okay. Is it fine now?
Yeah, I can. You need to. I need to drag it down, right? You're trying to say.
Yeah, yeah. Has this questions window come out and popped up and come into the center of your screen?
Yeah, now it has come up.
Okay.
Now it is there. I can see.
Now you can make it larger.
Now it goes back again.
Um,
Yeah. I got it.
okay.
Okay.
So how do you plan to take up the questions? I mean, you want to take the questions in between your presentation, or you want to finish up the presentation first and take the questions later?
Ideally, it would be that we take the questions at the end of the presentation. Otherwise, I will lose the focus then.
Certainly, sir. So that is perfectly fine. I mean, a lot of people have done that. So, but I would be sharing the questions as and when they come from the participants. You can take up the questions any point of time. Just you can see the questions in the question span, and if you want to take up the questions in the end, so that is fine.
What I will do is that if the question is relevant to the topic which is there on the screen right now,
okay.
So then probably I may take it, or not. Then I will do it all at the end.
Certainly, sir. It's entirely up to.
What would be the time frame? 45 minutes.
So the total duration of this webinar would be 75 minutes. So I think you can take 45 to 50 minutes to explain your presentation, and then 20-25 minutes to the question answer. So would that be fine?
That should be fair enough.
Yeah, fair. Because we see normally 30-40 questions, good questions coming from the participants. Our attendees normally are very inquisitive. So I think 20-25 minutes would be given to the questions.
I was having a look at the attendees who would be attending the webinar.
Okay.
I found people to be quite a very senior level, and plus there are freshers.
Yeah. All the people from all the background, and most probably I would like to know. We have sent only one mailer, so it's around today is 20th only, so 7 days left. So we would be marketing these sessions, sending a lot of mailers. So the number is very small right now. We are expecting it to go up to 500 to 600 people that would be joining on the live session.
Okay. Keshav, another question I just wanted to ask out of my curiosity.
Yeah, please.
What does tech means? See, it is at the end of the day, it is business, right?
Right.
So, how is TechGeek getting benefited out of this?
Actually, this initiative we have taken to share the knowledge and with the technology professionals, and in return we are getting users. I mean, to join a webinar or to attend the webinar, you will have to be a member of techgeek.com. So we are getting a lot of users through our webinars. Also getting good name in technology community. Our print ads are coming in newspapers every day. Then we send a lot of mailers. So a lot of people and a lot of startup companies, bloggers, and different companies are also publishing about our webinars, and they're talking with a lot of interest. Apart from that, we also have a corporate packages for webinars. Like we have tied up with HCL and Sapient recently, and they have taken a plan like people from their companies would be taking webinars on our site, and they are paying for that. So
okay.
So we do have a roadmap for our webinars. We want to take it to the next level, and definitely we have a revenue plan also.
No, that is what I was thinking. That okay, fine. I got your point. That's a business. Okay, that's about. So I just don't want to get deep into that. And in return, I just wanted to check what would be the number of PDUs which the PMI I can claim from PMI.
They are we have a tie with PMI, so they are offering one PDU for one session. So similarly, your session is only the project management webinars. We also are conducting different webinars on different technologies like cloud computing and
Yeah, I know that.
database.
I know that. I know that.
But only the project management webinars are, being offered as and people can claim PDUs
Yeah.
for attending those webinars. So your webinar would be also, eligible for claiming PDUs.
Uh-huh. So any idea about, because I would be presenter, right? If you attend, it is one PDU, and if you're presenter, you are something more, right?
I have not discussed about that, but I think the presenter would definitely, he would be also be able to claim one PDU for this session.
Okay, fine, no issues. I just wanted to see, this is also a good opportunity for me to share my knowledge with
Certainly.
industry.
Experienced
Industry,
professionals
people
in the
around.
industry, certainly.
Yeah, that is how it is.
And we are also offering.
And plus, I would be getting some questions from people who would be far more intelligent than me also. So it is not that.
Of course. And we can also have a couple of more sessions in future in different advanced topics in project management. So people would be, really interested to learn different concepts of project management from the experts. And in return, we are, right now we're not doing anything, but only the free branding is being done for our presenters.
Yeah.
We are also planning to, give a kind of, certification or, letter of appreciations to our presenters. So we would also contact you once we are ready with those letters. So probably we can post you those letter of appreciation.
Okay, fine. So I believe Keshav, everything seems okay.
Yeah.
So okay, so I just need to check the recording how it happened.
Sure.
And then probably I'll revert back to you on that reply. Yes, that is how it was. Feedback of mine.
Certainly. And if there is in my mind comes, so I'll also share with you.
Okay, fine.
So I think we are done with this trial run.
Okay.
So thank you. Thanks
okay,
for your time.
Fine. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
And I should appreciate your time because you gave me the time which I wanted because it's a Friday out here.
Yeah.
But hello.
Yeah.
Keshav, I hope you are aware that I'm not in India.
Yeah, I know. I got a call from you yesterday, so I am very much aware. So where are you in? I think in Dubai.
Yeah, I'm based in Dubai.
Okay.
So I work for this company called Dubai World as a PM.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So I'm ending this trial run now. Thanks.
Okay, fine.
Thanks. Bye.